Alright, welcome back. Now, in this video, what I just want to say is to introduce you to all the things that we're going to learn for this course. First, we're going to learn about how to build websites using WordPress. First, with local server, and then with the host server online. So we're going to experiment it with both the local the online server, so we can know the difference and how best we can use both of them hand to hand. You can either use the local server or the hosting server. This is the local server on my system, the one my mouse is pointed to, local WP. We're still going to talk about it later, and the hosting server, we are going to talk about it. So we're going to discuss about how best you can use these tools in designing your website. We're going to discuss about plugins, discuss about themes, and how to build templates, and with Elementor. And we're going to talk about how to get hosting, how to get the domain, and how to host um, your website online for people to see. And talk about talk about briefly about SSL certificate, just to make your website to be secured online, and talk about SEO, search engine optimization, how best you can optimize your website such that Google would be able to crawl your website on their software on Google, so it can be visible to your targeted audience. So these are the things that we're going to learn in this course, and I believe that at the end of this course, I believe that you would be very, very proud of yourself going through this course with me. Thank you. See you in the next class.